up, work all day, and then I wake up, work all day.
I'm sorry, Mom, that I'm a deadbeat, the failure of the family, but I didn't ask to be here, so just leave me alone. My apologies that I don't want to be what you want me to be. I'm sorry, not a prodigy, really got good grades, no A's and B's. Yeah, I'm hardly getting by on a daily basis, but I got a dream, so I gotta chase it. Never gonna be who they want to see. All my life I know I'll be saying
but mama, I'm in love with a criminal, and this type of love isn't rational, it's physical.
Please, Daddy.
I told you, when I'm finished, you can have what's left.
There won't be any left. There's never any left.
Happy Thanksgiving!
Respect me?
Oh, you're hilarious, Mr. Universe.
Rose, please! Can you just talk to me for 1 second like a real person?
I'm not a real person. I thought, haven't we...
关系最好的2个朋友，他俩在一起了。突然在我面前天天扭扭捏捏、窃窃私语了。怪不得他最近笑得那么甜，原来笑点是你呀！怪不得上次让我先回，原来是在排除异己呀！行，我走别走，你永远是我们的朋友。哎呦，真是可逗了呀！祝你们久久，你俩最好永远锁死，白头到老别分手。我可不想当传话筒或者2头拉拢的狗。
너의 맘 나의 맘 사람 새로운 사람 너무 설레어서 어지러워요 만남 새로운 만남 너무 설레어서 미치겠어요 낯선 여자애야 낯선 향기애야 Yes I want some good things 낯선 여자애야 낯선 향기애야 Yes I want some I got a我们今生注定是沧桑，苦之来要笑着走。
Huh?